First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this? It was unbelievably painful.
So today we shall inflate the tires, as I promised a couple of days back. After I had my car serviced, I noticed that my tires are somewhat low on air, so let's recalibrate with my machine here. So let's take it out of the box and plug it into the cigar lighter, because it's DC powered, not AC powered. Every time I grip the bottom of the box, it doesn't want to come out. I have to give it a little trick, so there you go. Put the box on top of the car. So this is it. Wires hanging there. Motor master. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. And obviously, I don't scratch my car, but this end goes to your cigarette lighter. And obviously, the other end goes on your tire. I'm holding the camera with one hand. This one here. Ta-da! That goes on your valve stem to fill up your tire. So let's do that. Don't look at my gut. You're staring at my gut, aren't you? Oh. Here's the machine. Let's unwind the cord as much as we can. Oops. Put that there. See? Cigarette lighter. Close. Open. Close. Open. It even close the door on the wire. Doesn't want to turn it on. Of course, I have to put the key in the ignition for it to turn on. Sorry about that. Let's remove the cap for the tire. My viewfinder, I can't see a damn thing. Totally worth making a video in the dark. Close that. Go to the other side of the car in order to put the key in the ignition. Put the key in the ignition. Do not start the engine. Now I think the pump is going to start to work. Go to the outside. Close that. Go to pump. What does pump say? 24.0, 24.0. So as of right now, my tire has 24 pounds of pressure. So let's get that going. We're slowing down a bit, I think. I'll stop at 37. Let's take that out. What's that one? 21. See? 27 and a half. So let's get that going. Kind of slow, isn't it? So anyways, that's pretty much it. I'll go to 36 and that's it. I'll stop there. This back on. I'm going to do that to all four sides. So that's it. You just plug it into there, into the cigarette lighter. And that's it. I don't know if you can see that. And that's how you fill up with tires when they're low. I got this pump at the Canadian Tire, so five years ago. So that's it. Well, I did it. Oh my God. I made a boo-boo with my car. I filled up my air with my pump without turning on my engine. And I filled up my tires all right, but I killed my battery. I just jump started with this. There you go. Usually you're supposed to start your engine before you turn the pump on, so, but I didn't do it. I just ran the air pump without turning my engine on, and that's it. I killed the batteries. I just 150 bucks I bought 5 years ago. No, sorry, 2 years ago. It's worth every penny. Anyways, that's it. Started. I close the positive lead. Put the positive to here and the negative to here, and this bolt here, and that's it. Thank God. Anyways, thanks for watching. It's my screw up. The thing is that I never fill my tires up with air, rarely. And my pump, I haven't used it in years, and I forgot that you have to turn on the engine before you turn the pump on. Anyway, it's all right. Engine's running now. It's all right. Anyways, see you on the next one. Bye-bye.